Avodah Zarah, לפני, אידיהן, Daf Zayin, sponsored Refuah Shalema for Tzipora Bas Malka Peril. Brisa disputes selling shields to Gentiles. Number one, it is prohibited because it is not in our interest to sustain Gentiles. Question, why are Jews permitted to sell them food? The answer, Rav explains Gentiles would resent us for not selling them food. Number two, it is prohibited because when they run out of other weapons, they use shields. The opinion that permits selling them holds they retreat after they run out. The halacha permits selling them. Gemara discusses the prohibition to sell them iron. Refers to Indian iron used specifically for fashioning weapons. However, it was permitted to sell it to the Persians, who used the weapons to protect their Jewish citizens. The Gemara discusses the ruling of Rabbi Yehuda permitting the sale of maimed beasts of burden. He holds they do not heal or mate. The only benefit from a sale is their slaughter. The Gemara discusses this dispute between Rebbe prohibiting and Ben Beseira permitting the sale of a horse to a Gentile. Ben Beseira permits it because riding a horse is a rabbinic prohibition on Shabbos, unlike Mechamer. Rebbe prohibits selling them because they can be used as weapons to kick Jews, and older ones can grind on the millstone. Despite this, Rabbi Yochanan decided in favor of Ben Beseira. Gemara discusses whether it is permitted to sell to a Gentile a fattened ox. According to Rabbi Yehuda, it could be different than one maimed because the Gentile can reduce the animal to a working weight, making it capable of doing double the work of a never fattened animal. The Rabbanan who prohibit selling a maimed animal is because it is not ready to be slaughtered, but this animal is. Rebbe bribed officials of the royal family to stop taxing him a fattened ox as tribute to the king on their holidays. The reason? He was concerned the king will not slaughter it immediately. Jews will notice it and assume it is permitted to sell beasts of burden to Gentiles. Now we move on to a new Mishnah. It is prohibited to sell non-domesticated dangerous animals such as lions and bears to Gentiles. A. Rav held non-domesticated sickly animals such as buffalo had to jerk. Like small domesticated animals, their forelegs had to extend and retract to know they were alive when slaughtered, whereas for large domesticated animals, an extension of the foreleg sufficed. Regarding selling, its law is similar to selling large domesticated animals. B. Rav Chanan held, even in respect to selling, its laws like small domesticated animals. A proof. Our Mishnah supports Rav Chanan, prohibits selling only those dangerous. The refutation. Number one, Rabbi Barula explains the Mishnah refers to a maimed lion. Additionally, there is a brisa that equates non-domesticated large animals with beasts of burden. Number two, Rav Ashi holds our Mishnah can refer to a healthy lion, legally maimed, lacking the temperament of a beast of burden. Question. Perhaps our Mishnah teaches only that small, non-domesticated, dangerous animals cannot be sold, but small, non-domesticated, non-dangerous animals can be sold. Large, non-domesticated animals are like beasts of burden. The answer. Rav Ashi held the Mishnah mentioned the lion because it lacks the temperament of a beast of burden, but a large, non-domesticated animal that is not shavur eitzel malacha and can grind at the millstone cannot be sold. If you're enjoying Daf 5, please click on the link below, subscribe, and become a sponsor. Thank you.